In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo a completed task in Todoist and restore its original date. If you've ever checked something off by mistake or realized a task was marked done on the wrong day, this quick walkthrough will help you fix it cleanly, right from the mobile app. We'll open your archive of finished tasks, adjust the date to what it should have been, and save the change so the task is undone and properly restored. Start by opening the Todoist app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in and ideally running the latest version so the interface matches what you see here. On the bottom navigation bar, tap Browse. This section gathers useful views and history beyond your regular projects and to-do list. Inside Browse, tap Completed. This is your activity log of finished tasks. It's a great place to correct mistakes or review what you've accomplished. If you have a long history, take a moment to scroll through until you spot the task you want to fix. Look for the exact name and any labels or project context that will help you identify it accurately. When you find the task, tap it to open its details. You'll see information like the project, any comments, and the recorded completion date. To change that date and set things right, tap the calendar icon. This opens the date picker, which is where you'll choose the date that should be the original completion date. Now carefully tap the correct date. Think about when you actually intended to complete it. This helps keep your timeline and productivity stats accurate. If the task was part of a routine or recurring schedule, be sure you're picking the date that matches the instance you meant to track. A quick double check here saves confusion later. Once the correct date is selected, tap the checkmark icon in the top right. That saves your change. With this confirmation, the completed task will now be undone. In other words, Todoist will move it out of the completed archive and back into your active tasks, scheduled for the date you set. If that date is in the past, you may see it appear as overdue. If it's today or a future day, it will show up in your today or upcoming views accordingly. Give the app a second to sync, especially if you use Todoist on multiple devices. That's all there is to it. You've opened Completed, located the task, adjusted the date through the calendar, saved with the checkmark, and successfully undone the completion while preserving the correct timeline.